Hello, dear friends. Good afternoon. Such a beautiful, beautiful afternoon. This video is sponsored by nobody but myself. I am opening a new class, so I am just letting you know this new class on Skillshare, and so this is the cooking the cookie video. I already made a video starting page, the first intro video, and this one is just a chat. So chat with you. I am not stressed out at all. Even if I make mistake, let it be mistake. And it took me 3 or 4 times to say a 1 minute starting introduction, and I was very stressed because anyway, it is not as much as talking with you. Just being silly. How can you be so silly in the official class? Anyway, so you will see, and if you like, let's learn together. Bye bye, friends. I love you. I really do. Do. And for real. And this is not included in Skillshare class, so we can have the honorary appearance of Gugu Minu and Yellow Rose. Minu, dear Gugu, Gugu. Okay. Hello, dear friends. So this one is the cookie that is made right. Although it's not perfect in shape, but it's fluffy and very delicious, very crunchy. And I also tried with store bought this kind of mix, boxed mix, and it comes out very heavy and very solid, and it's not very good. But you also can find some way to do it. What did I do? I blended in a blender, and then make into a tiramisu with yogurt, with caramel sauce. My caramel sauce I made at home, or you can put lemon curd you made, cover it up, depending on how sweet it is. If it is already very sweet, you put a lot of sugar, then you do not need to put that much caramel sauce or other things. But I didn't put that much sweet sugar and things, so I put some caramel sauce. Now let's take a look. Oh, I will take it out so that you can see. How about that? So there are different layers of it. Now let's see. Yogurt with it, and overnight all the juice from the yogurt already very well blended into the cookie miel, cookie blend. I enjoy it. It is good. There is a little bit sourness, tartness from the yogurt. It makes a good balance. Thank you very, very much.